was also good. Possible to take over all the Zion city of the Yahweh sinner come over the world. And you have to pray for you according to the covenant I have with Yahweh with you. All of Israel. This is how they celebrate in Israel. They celebrate all over the whole world. It's called Passover to take over. You know of Israel, they passed over from the time of Favour, golden captive. And God asked Moses to read them over from bondage to their freedom. And God will pray. All my sons and daughters, my partners, as from this sea, middle of the sea, this is Atlantic Ocean that entered the whole world. And God will pray that all my sons and daughters will become multi-millionaires. Any power that will pursuing you, pursuing me, Father, today, I come down to enter water. And this man will enter water. All the occultic power over my life, all their plan of enemies, all the people that I'm doing prayer for, those are in America, Canada, UK, all over the whole world in desperate. I said that travel you make, you come back with your health. You come back with pounds and dollars. Water will not swallow you. No power will happen over you. I'm here to decree that Sabbath is the only true God, day of worship of God. Anyone that says if you go to water pray, now we're praying to Jimo. If you drink the water, let that water kill you. Anyone that says because we enter water, we're worshiping our God. If the person drink water, let that water kill you. I cannot you because of what people say. I will not follow the truth. The truth remains that water is the God by itself. And water is the oldest thing on the earth. I'm not going to worship water, but I've come to fulfill the covenant I have with God. Since I started my ministry, nobody have died in my ministry. And no battle have beat me. I have fought on 40 kingdom. I have fought many kingdoms. I have fought many kingdoms and overcome. And here to decree that all my sons and daughters, Chukwu and Dibia, Yahweh, all over the whole world, you're going to become multi-millionaire. Anywhere they seize your money, anywhere they seize what belongs to you, I'm here as a prophet, as a high priest. I command, let this sea open. When the disciples of Jesus Christ, they are looking for money, Jesus commanded them to go to water. They will see fish that is there. And when they bring the fish, they come with bread, they bring out money. I name this prayer and I pass over. I pray that we're going to recover everything we lost. In my generation. Come with me. All the kings all over the whole world. People are going to drink. I know who the video. Don't ask how you have a problem. All the great men and great women in the whole world. I'm in the sea, and the sea controls the whole thing. I'm here to pray that all the king will respect all my sons and daughters all over the whole world. Anywhere they are going, we are praying the devil. Slave won't do it. They won't have to hide the whole world. Yes. I have to pray. Anywhere they hold my son, my daughter. When I'm managing, I listen them. I listen in that one. Fish flow. This is salt. This water is salt and it's salt itself. And the salt and water have no enemies. And I pray that anyone that eats this salt and water, anyone that eats this salt and water, starting from today, be you prophet, be you anybody, be you reverend father, be you reverend sister, be you occultic man, be you anybody that is against me. As long as you use water and salt, all your enchantments, all your evil plans will come back to you. Every road they have put on my head, on my sons and my daughters, all over the whole world, in America, Canada, I free you from bondage of darkness. All the battle that is looking for my head, looking for my son's head, looking for my daughter's head, on this realm of intelligence. Every evil covenant, every evil enchantment, every evil thing that I've done will cut my life short for my sons and my daughter to make the whole world. We are here to cross over. We are not killing this realm. I'm killing the sea. Any demon Any forces that want to eat any of my sons, my daughter, my followers, the blood, let them come to this land. But Abraham wanted to use his son to give, to sacrifice to God, and God said, use the land. Man represent human being. So this land will take away every spirit of death, every hardship, every sorrow in our life. When you say that, why are we going to one?
mmiri bụ ihe ọjọọ, ịnwụkwa mmiri bụ ogu. Onye si na onye ga na mmiri kpee ekpere na ọ bụ mmụọ mmiri, ịṅụọ mmiri iji mmiri saa ala ọ ya togo ọma David Yahweh, onye kwuru na mmiri bụ ndụ, onye kwuru na Chineke zuru na-eke ndị agha n'ụwa ga-amata eziokwu na ikpere arụsị anyị jụrụ ya, ikpere Meri anyị jụrụ ya, ịrụ ego chaplet anyị jụrụ ya, but anyị kwetere ime ihe Abraham meru, the covenant of the Most High God. The children of Israel passed through the water. Elijah was in the water, performed miracle, and the chariot carried him. And the children of Israel rejoice, starting from today. All the sons and daughters of the Yahweh will rejoice. All my partners and doing support to this movement. Now, Almighty Yahweh will protect you. No demon will have power over you. No witches will have power over you. We shall go with you all. My prophet Dibia with Chukwu Dibia. When you talk about doing the bomb, when you talk about doing what I don't want him, I don't know coach me now. As nobody can cover the song, nobody can cover your destiny. Nobody can cover your destiny. Continue my Yahsua.
Agaghị na nnefe Chukwu iwe si n'ige bụ ma ọ bụkwa akụkọ iwe si n'ige
for parts of that
where the Zionites, where the Israelites, where the Igbo Jews, where the chosen one, Shalom. Mako Nechapa, Magabu Mori, Tapara.